Hi, this is John, Flat 6 Motorsports, and welcome back to another episode of the Macan Turbo build series. Today, we're very excited to install an Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system to the Project Macan Turbo. Right now, we have a set of MBRP muffler deletes on. We put these on to get a couple sound clips, but we're going to be taking those off and putting the Akrapovic system on. It's a really cool system. We're excited to see what it sounds like, so let's get started. So the first step is going to be removing the exhaust. Now, this MBRP exhaust we're taking off, but the factory exhaust is fairly similar. It's one piece all the way to the front pipe, so you'll see us taking some piping off here and some tips off. It's one piece that comes off here. So you'll remove that cover with some torque screws, and these two slip clamps is what you'll remove, and then you'll pull the whole exhaust system off. It's held on by two hangers. Definitely grab a buddy for that one. Here's the Akrapovic going back on, same way the other one came off. Okay, so you're gonna have to transfer the electronic valve actuator off the factory exhaust onto the Akrapovic exhaust. Now, if you have PSE, you're gonna take both off. If you don't, you're gonna have to purchase the mounting kit, which comes with a separate actuator. So let's go ahead and take this off. And then it just lifts right off. Like so. We're gonna grab the Akrapovic muffler, so lightweight. Okay, make sure the valve's in the open position. Akrapovic includes some hardware. And also some bolt sealant they like you to use. This is a very low torque spec. It's about 5 Newton meters, which is roughly about 3.5 foot-pounds. So it's gonna dabble. All right, so just to secure these, we use an 8mm wrench and a T25 torque socket. And then we're just gonna slip the mufflers on both sides. Again, the same factory mounting. The fitment is phenomenal on the Akrapovic, super high quality made. Then make sure to plug in the connectors as well. We don't show that step, but it's simple to do. All right, we'll leave the final adjustment of the tips for after we finish. Akrapovic recommends using WD-40. Just wipe it thoroughly, get all the fingerprints gone.